Welcome to raigurkul.com. I am Deepak Rai and today we are going to talk about Jira REST API, how to create a board and delete board within our Jira Cloud instance. So if you want to learn from scratch, please be available from start to end of this video so that you'll be able to understand each and everything in detail. If you want to learn more about Jira, feel free to watch my Jira playlist. And if you wanted to enroll a new course which is published or created by me, where you will get detailed insight about Jira, which is covered from scratch, and that is not at all limited for only Scrum Master and Project Manager, but you will get to learn each and everything Scrum related concept. So feel free to enroll for this one. Now let's get started. Whenever we're working within Jira Cloud instance, normally you will see these boards are created at the time of project creations. But if you don't have any UI and you want to create it through REST API, you can easily do that. For that, you need permissions or REST API permissions. And if you don't know how to create token and permissions or authorizations, feel free to refer my initial video of REST API. Now, once the authentication is set, you will need URL. For creating a URL, we'll copy this URL of cloud instance and paste it to here. After that, we'll write REST Agile 1.0 and then board. Because we wanted to create a board, we will not use get method. Get method is generally used for extracting the detail or getting informations. Here we'll use post method. Now, for sending a request, we need some query to be added or some parameters to be added. So first parameter is filter ID. We'll specify the filter ID is this one, which you can get it from your Jira instance. Name, as of now, I wanted to keep this as a Scrum board one, and locations, I wanted to create a project key or ID here 10,000, and type is project. This time I wanted to create this as a Scrum, that is a type of board. So you can also create it with Kanban board. There's no restrictions on it. Once you are done with this, just click on that and this board will be created successfully for you. Here you can see ID 34 is created and the Scrum board 1 is the board name and type is Scrum. If you wanted to see this board details, simply type this and hit as a get request. Now you can see the board detail is generated here. So this is the name of the boards and all those informations are present. At the end, if you want to delete this board, simply use delete method and just specify your board ID. Once you'll click on send, this board will be deleted successfully. But before deleting, make sure none of your team member is using this board, otherwise you will lose informations. So it's mandatory to check and verify if none of your team member is utilizing this board, you can delete it, because once it is deleted, you won't be able to you won't be able to recall this. So that's the reason I'm saying before deleting, make sure none of your team member is using, otherwise you will lose critical information from the board. So this is how we can create any boards and delete the board from your Jira Cloud instance by using REST API. So I've sent this detail. After that, once I will again trigger this board data, I won't be able to get because we have deleted successfully. So this is how we can create a board and delete the board from our Jira Cloud instance using REST API, which is very quick. Without using UI, we can delete it successfully. Now, whenever we wanted to learn about REST API, feel free to explore each and everything, because When you have half-cooked informations, probably you might mess up with multiple things. So better to learn from scratch. That's the reason I have created a detailed playlist of Jira REST API. So feel free to refer from the description tab. I will include each and every URL in descriptions, which will be helpful for you to refer. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to add in the comment sections. If you wanted to learn a new topic, feel free to add in the comment. So based on the demand, I will come up with new video. Thank you and we'll see you in next video.